In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Rocket League crashing on startup for Windows 10 and 11. So first, you want to open Epic Games. Now, I will show this example for this game. You can follow the same steps for Rocket League. So what you would do is click on the three dots, click Manage, and then click Verify Files, and then make sure Launch Options is turned off. And then you want to exit this and go to Device Manager and make sure you are always updating your drivers to the latest version. Click here and click Next to update. Also update if you have multiple graphics cards. Next, go to Windows Security and go to Virus and Threat Protection. So sometimes the real-time protection can cause a crash because it's preventing the game from starting. So try turning it off and see if this fixes the issue. If it doesn't, then just turn it back on, and this should fix it.